Umagaba tells Zolega that the god did not cry at Bavumile's ceremony. Is she sure that Ubavumile is not Hlati's baby? Ngapotata Lazarus is questioning whether Ubavumile is Lazarus' son and demands a DNA test to prove Uba is Ngugana. Zolega feels the pressure and tells Lazarus that they need to tell Hlati the truth to save their baby. Ulandle stumbles upon his father's shenanigans and take pictures for evidence. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Inimba. So they're all at the hospital. Olukhanyo is there, comforting Zolega. Nothumeka is there, and they're waiting. No Tata Lazarus. They're waiting to hear uba madokotela bathini ngubavumile. And then they start being positive, saying Abavumile is alright. He's going to be fine. Lazarus, Zolega Hlutugat, how do you know Nazela? Because Lazarus, Bavumile is a baby. He's defenseless, man. Nazingani usuzolo, yazingani usuzoba right. Lazarus realizes Zolega is breaking and goes to take her from Lukhanyo and hugs her. Tata Lazarus is now pondering upon what her sister Nomfundiso said about the god did not cry. His Karusepoko was unusual. And questions Lazarus, is this really your son, Yana? Because, like, you won't be the first one. Abafazi, they lie and say, while it's not yours, because they want a rich man. Lazarus, like, do you even know how much Zolega is worth? Zolega is not after my money. She doesn't need my money. Kanti ibhoko ikhalile Zolega so umajola. What more do you want? Athi ibhoko likhale after 5 tries. It doesn't happen. Usually cries after 1 try. And so this whole thing just tells me something is wrong la. Lazarus, what else do you need? I want a DNA test to prove Ubavumile is in Ngugana. Then Lazarus decides to I have a work crisis and leaves him and calls Zolega to come because he has to go to Kusela. Zolega is there with Lukhanyo. And Lukhanyo is questioning her, why Lazarus at nowhere and he has to take over our empire. And then Umagaba phones Zolega, questioning her about going on about Unjan Bavumile, and tells her, as a son alarm, there's something that's been bothering me. The god at Bavumile's welcoming ceremony did not cry. Are you sure Ubavumile is not Hlati's baby? Because remember, Ubavumile was conceived when you were still married to Hlati. Uzala was like, how ma? What are you trying to say? You're trying to say that I'm lying now. I'm just saying, because if Mtane Gulangaka and Ipoko didn't cry, there might be a mistake. I'm not saying you're lying, but I'm just asking if there's a mistake. Ubavumile is not Lazarus' child. If that's the case, you won't get well. You need to do well. Zolega calls Lazarus to come and talk and tells him, we need to save our child and tell the truth. Well, Lazarus is like, no, man, he'll be fine. We'll get specialists. If we have to fly them from across the world, we'll do that. Zolega, let's be realistic. We both know that that's not going to happen. Ubavumile is sick because we lied. I lied about Majola. We lied to our families. I think we need to tell our Hlati the truth. Bavumile umtanakhe to save him, because if we want to save our baby, because he keeps on getting worse and worse. Like, why will they want to tell Hlati about this now? And then Anga is busy Ekusela, they're trying to work on the security breach thing. Now he's stepping on Maweti's toes, calling him chief. Please give me a report. I know we're losing money, but I want a report. Well, Wait was just defeated. And then this guy from Capital Bank comes, Mr. Mvalo, demanding answers. But Onga tells him, our company is all good. The weakness is on your side, but we're working on it. This guy is panicking now because people are busy withdrawing money. He's losing money, but Onga reassures him, we'll find these culprits and we'll bring them to you. Please give us a day or so. And then, Maweti keeps on thinking about this thing and realizes, man, something is off. This process is the same as the Joseph Power thingy, where this Tsaki girl who stole electricity from the rich and gave it to the poor, now is stealing money from the government and giving it to the poor again. So this is the same strategy. Is this not Tsaki doing the bridge again? Kawa is like, hi man, do you think she'd do this? This is this like above her league, man. This is too much. And then Lazarus and Nama minions, they're busy celebrating the strategy work. People are withdrawing money, people are getting money, and Kusela is in trouble. And then now it's time for our cut. We want our monies at how, but I didn't get money, Jay. there was money that was supposed to go to an offshore account. I didn't get that. So in Batalangan, I'd say a deal is a deal. Utsaki must get her 200. I must also get Maliam. So Utazat has to pay even though he didn't get any money. Yeah, and then Ulwandle comes to the house and sees their setup where they were busy doing the bridge. Ulwandle doesn't waste time and take pictures for evidence. Maphuma ngapha, he sees Utsaki. Now this confirms Utsaki is behind this whole thing. Lazarus is shocked looking at Tsaki, and then his dad also sees him. Now they're all speechless looking at each other. Well, Landle exposed Lazarus Sid Nutatake for the last time and ruined their relationship for good. And then Tumega is pondering about on this baby thing. Utlati is pressuring her about having a child and says now she's starting to question why Utlati is wanting a baby all of a sudden, hey? And then decides to confront Utlati. The last time I asked for a baby, you said you refused and said Utlati, I'm crazy. Now you're the one wanting a baby. At Utlati and it's because Tumega was competing with Zolek. But you're doing the same thing. Zolek has a baby, now you're also competing with her. And now you also want to have a baby just to show that you're a man. Klat was mad about that and said that if you don't want a baby, just say so. You get a piece of Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.